The first thing you will notice on CapCut after using Pro features is that by the time you want to export, you will see something like this, which means you need a Pro subscription to be able to use it. However, you can go back and select everything by pressing Ctrl A, then right click on it, then click on Create Compound Clip. Okay, so after that, we can come up here and click on Video. Then you can scroll down and click on Motion Blur. Then reduce the blur to 0. After that, you're going to wait for everything to load to 100%. So in case you're a first timer here, this is the best time for you to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Okay, moving on. After loading to 100, you come to Home, click on CapCut icon, then click on Properties, then click on Open File Location. After then, you click on here and go to User Data, then click on Cache. Then you're going to look for Motion Blur Cache. There you're going to see the edited video fully exported. You can open it to check it. So after checking it, you can choose to move the video to your preferred destination, and that'll be all. Thank you for watching.